Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you another Scratch tutorial. I'm going to tell you how to make movement controls in Scratch. So we're in Scratch, click on Create. Okay, like that. Now it's creating project. And if you wonder why I have stuff that you guys might not have, it's because I have Scratch add-ons, but you're free to download it. Okay. So first, we're going to do when green flag clicked. So we have the code there. I'll zoom in to show you. When green flag clicked, forever. So this is going to do it forever, whatever's inside this code. Okay. So now we're going to do. So forever, if. So this if statement's going to do this code if this is true. And we're going to duplicate these to make 4 if statements. If you're on mobile, you double click to duplicate. Okay, so the first if statement is we're going to go to the sensing category and drag if key space clicked. And we're going to duplicate it into all of these Boolean outputs. Like, see that? It's like a hexagon thingy. Okay. So now guys, it's your choice which one you like more. You either could do WASD control or left arrow, right arrow, down arrow, and up arrow control. So I like WASD, but if you like, so if you're doing WASD, you make this first one, and you make it W, and if you're doing arrows, you make this first one up arrow. I'm gonna make the second Boolean if key space pressed. So if you're doing WASD, you make this A, but if you're doing arrow controls, this is going to be left arrow. Next one's the same. We're gonna make this one S, and if you're using arrow controls, you make this down arrow. And finally, we're gonna make the last one, that's D. So if you're using WASD, it's D, and if you're using arrow controls, this is right arrow. Okay, so in this first block right here, we're going to go to motion, and it's W, so we're going to change the Y by 10. So if you click a W key, it's going to go up by 10. Okay, next is the A, or the arrow, depending on what you do. So the A is going to be change X, but we don't want it to be 10 because that'll be forwards. So if we go to operators and get this minus thing, and we drag it right there, we leave this first one empty, and we make this one 10. So this is going to return -10. But you might just say, why don't we just do -10? I'll tell you later why. So S, we're going to be change Y again, but instead of going up, it's going to go down again. So we're going to duplicate this block. Change Y by nothing minus 10, that's -10. Finally, the D block is just going to be a change X by 10. So now we have this. If we zoom in there, this should work. So this works perfectly, but it might be too fast for you, right? So now we're introducing a speed variable. So if we just stop this and we click on variables, we're going to delete my variable, and we're gonna make a new variable. This is named cat speed. You can really name this anything that you want, but cat speed's good. It's false sprites and not cloud variable. You'll only see that if you're a senior scratcher. Okay, so now we have the cat speed. So when the green flag is clicked in the beginning, we're gonna set the cat speed to however fast we want. Before it was 10. Now let's make it like 6 or 7. I'll make it like 6. So now we're gonna put cat speed where all of our 10s were. So right there, right there, right there, and right there. So now we have this. It's a bit slower, and if we would like to change it, we can just go up here and make this one higher, like that. And guess what? The cat will go faster. One more thing, we can add some more controls to this. So we can add at the bottom of this, if we go to control, we drag this if block right here, and we drag if, we're going to drag the key space pressed again, and we're going to keep it at key space pressed this time. So, if the key space pressed, we're going to ask a question. Okay? And the question is going to be new speed question mark. So if we do that, and then it's going to wait until you answer, and we'll go back to variables, and after they answer, we're going to set the cat speed to the answer they said. And just so they have more custom, we can remove this set cat speed in the beginning, and we can duplicate this command. But instead of saying new speed, we're going to say just cat speed. So now, if we do this, we have the WASD controls, or the arrow close. So in the beginning, it's going to ask you cat speed. You can answer at the bottom here. You can say like, I'd say like 6, and that's going to make it the speed. And we have the WASD controls. And if you ever want to change the cat speed, just click space, new speed, and you can change it. Like you can make it as fast or as slow as you want. 15 makes it go really fast, and a cool feature you can do is you click space and you make it a negative number instead. It'll have all the controls opposite. So like, yeah, that's a cool thing you can do also. And after you've done this, you can use it in your game, or you can just publish it. So you click on see the project page. And then you can make the name whatever you want. I'll make it cat speed test. And you could tell them the instructions. Okay, and then space to change speed. And also if you want to use this, it's not really mine. You can give me credits if you want, but you don't have to. So that's it. And you can share if you want. I will, but you don't have to. And I'll also send the link to this in the description, okay? Bye guys. See you tomorrow. Or whenever I post. Bye.